Hi, this is Lee and welcome to another weekly tip video. It's definitely more of a tip than normal this week because I thought it'd be a good idea to take a look at the batteries that we have on our Macs and look at ways of being able to see how they're performing and what we can do to stop them draining quite so quickly when we need them the most. And whilst there are third-party tools that can help with this, you don't necessarily need them because everything you do need is baked into the OS. So if we're looking to work with the battery, it's useful to obviously have the battery icon in the menu bar, which I have up here. And when I click, we can see the current amount of battery charge. So 56% here. Then whether it's plugged in or not to charge and how long it's going to take to fully charge. All of that information is there. And if any apps are using any significant energy, they're going to be listed here. And we are going to see that a little bit later because I'm going to pause the video and put some pressure on some applications. Then at the bottom here, we can click to go into our battery settings. So you can also get here from going into system settings and selecting battery, or you can just open up Spotlight and type in battery as well. So what do we have? Well, down here, we can see that we can look at how much our battery has been charged in the last 24 hours. So I've been running off battery as much as possible, it seems, until about 6 this morning when I got the low battery alert. We can see that because it's in red at the bottom here. And I plugged it in. We can see it was plugged in then because of the faint green vertical bar that's running there. And there's also a thick green one below. It's now plugged in because it's connected to my docking station that has all of my peripherals hooked up for recording. And if I click on the last 10 days here, this shows the total energy usage as a percentage. Now I ran it from the battery quite a lot on Thursday as well as Sunday, but most of the time I do run it plugged in. And below that, for both 24-hour and the 10-day views, you can see the amount of time that the screen was on as well. And if I come up to the top now and click on this information button next to battery health, we get some more stats here. So this is a new laptop. I expect these values to be pretty good. And the battery condition is indeed normal. The other values it can be, I believe, are service recommended, where you can get it serviced by Apple for a fee. And the other one is not functioning normally, which kind of signals you've got a problem and you need to go and take it to get it looked at. Then below that, we have capacity. So mine's at 100%. And when this drops to 80%, the status above is going to change to service recommended. And usually most modern MacBooks have around 1,000 charge cycles in them. And a charge cycle is when a battery is fully charged, then fully discharged, and then fully recharged again. Now to help optimize this, you can enable this optimized battery charging option here. And this is where your Mac will learn how you charge your device, and it's going to hold it at 80% until such a time as it believes you need to use it on battery. It's very clever. I do keep this enabled. And if you want to know more about this battery management, then you can click here and it takes you to this Apple support article that teaches you more about it.